I purchased some stuff online. So this is the first thing. I bought this brownies. You can see it, right? I really like this Britannia brownies, and I seized the opportunity of buying this. And then I also bought these dark compounds. Okay, so my mom was craving for dark chocolate. So we thought, why not we buy this dark compound, which is an economic pack, and you get to make your own chocolate. Like you can mold it into your own shapes. You get a lot. And this is half kg, the 100 grams one, and you get plenty. You could just preserve it for so many days and keep it. We wanted two. This is one for my parents and one for us siblings, me and my sister. This is all I ordered since it's raining out here. I was having some sweet craving. So to satisfy my craving, I bought these stuff. Currently, I'm taking down notes. My professor has sent some handwritten notes. So I thought of noting it down in my notebook because that will prevent me from, limiting my screen time. So I can just read my book whenever I want to. And this is me selecting my calligraphy pens, and I'm really puzzled. I don't know which color to choose, and yeah, finally chose red. I'm currently working on my calligraphy skills, though I'm not a perfectionist or I'm just learning it. So I do not want to show how it is. So maybe once I have mastered it completely, then I can show you how I do it. And the place where I live is becoming very chilly, and I wanted to drink a hot coffee, but changed my mind because cold coffee looks good on the screen though. So I had to take a little bit risk, and obviously my mother's taunts. Also, the favorite part of taking notes of my perspective is highlighting things. I really like to highlight, and I love highlighters. Previous sems, I just used to print the notes and I used to study. But then it made me lazy. So I want to be productive this sem, and also I'm vlogging too this sem, and it definitely motivates me to become even productive. I don't know about you guys. I don't know how you feel about my videos. Let me know, does it make you productive too? I would be glad to hear. Also, I'm planning to come up with many interesting vlogs, tips such as weight loss journey. I did lose a lot of weight, and I'm gonna make a video on it, how to lose weight. And I had a lot of acne and how I cured it. Many diet plans, many good, tasty, low calorie recipes, and lot more. So do not forget to subscribe so that you do not miss on these amazing and useful content. So you guys do not miss on that. So do subscribe my channel so you could be benefited with all those videos and so on. And stay tuned. And at night I came to a nearby supermarket because I had to buy some stuff for myself and some household stuff too. And stationery is literally a place where I cannot turn my back to. So I grabbed few stationery too, a very few.